Hey guys, so I wanted to do a quick part 2 of the video that I did earlier on how I wash my horse blankets with Blanket Safe. As you can see, this is raw, this is real, we are not fooling around. There is no fancy camera operations going on. I just took these blankets out of the machine from the video that was previous to this, and these are the three. 1, 2, 3. All those were done earlier today, but this is the result from about 1/4 of a cup of blanket wash. Of course they're not completely dry, as you can tell, and all my before and after pictures are taken when the blankets are completely dry, so you're not going to get a full grand scheme idea of how the blankets truly look because they still have these wet watermarks, but I wanted to show you how much cleaner they are. Again, it's 1/4 of a cup. You do not need to use a whole bunch. Blanket Safe is designed for horse blankets, so there is no need to add extra. It's not like your household detergents where it depends on the load size. Really, it depends on how dirty they are, but you'd be surprised. It doesn't really matter with that either. Again, it's if you're diluting it out, the ready to use is ready to use, but if you're using concentrates, it's 1 part of the solution, 3 parts water. You can add more or less, however you please. Some people only use 2 ounces of wash. I use about 4, which is not a problem, but there you go. If you have any questions, please ask, but blanks are looking gorgeous. They're gonna dry tonight, and we'll see them in the morning. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Bye.